Kamusta po? Na-experience mo na bang mag-business pero hindi nag-work? Yung magbenta ng products, insurance, kung ano-ano pa? Dito sa business na sinimulan ko, it is very simple. Dati po akong manager sa United Arab Emirates for a very long time. I stayed there for 15 to 16 years. I started to work there as a singer in a band. And then because I finished a PSIT, major in food technology, there's a lot of experience na pwede kong gawin sa UAE, which is in Dubai. So nag-apply ako. I hired in one company, so I stayed there for almost 15 years. And then I got promoted and become a manager. And malaki ang sahod, pero syempre hindi biro ang mag-stay sa Dubai. There's a lot of struggles. Doon ko nakilala ang husband ko. Doon ako nagkaroon ng another child. I have 2 kids. And then my husband decided to go back to United States para ma-petition kami to have an immigrant visa. Since my younger is American citizen, we still waited for 3 years. The struggle is really real. So when I delivered my second child, my husband needs to go back to Dubai so he can get the passport for our child. And then that 3 years is really long time. And then when we arrived here in the United States, it was last year, November 2023. It is really struggle because I don't have my own income. I have to start it all over again. Nahirapan ako. So, naghanap talaga ako ng online business. Nag-apply ako as a part-time and it's really not enough. So, ayun, nakita ko tong business na to. Just one time, pinanood ko yung webinar and talagang nahook ako. Sabi ko kung kaya nitong mga taong to na hindi techie or even me, I'm not techie, but I can follow the step by step training, why not, diba? Since mahilig naman ako mag-browse sa Facebook, mahilig din akong mag-post sa Facebook about sa family ko, why not? It's the same thing. This business is the same thing. Magpo-post ka lang, mag-run ka ng ads, but the correct ads. Kasi pwede meron tayong business pero hindi naman tama yung pinapalo natin na pag-run ng ads, then your business will not gonna work. So, nung nakita ko tong business, meron silang weekly webinar, weekly masterclass, everything is free. Hindi ka makakakuha ng free na training kahit saan. Pero pag nag-join ka dito, you just have to buy a ticket so you can join, and then that's it. You can start your business. And then, yung stay ko dito, not even 1 year, we can actually buy our new home to live because right now we are in our apartment because we just started, building our credit score. But then, because of this business, it helps us a lot to have our own. Click the link below, sign up with your email address and name, or if you have any question, you can DM me, message me. You can add my page, ANX Chevalier Family. Ako po si Sandra Chevalier from United States, Oklahoma. See you in the inside!